everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about negative exponent. Ibig sabihin yung exponent ng isang variable, for example, is negative 1 and negative 2. I-remember natin kapag yung paano siya i-simplify, kailangan natin siyang gawing fraction. Itong variable na to, ang kanyang exponent is negative 1. So, gagawin natin siyang fraction. 1 over a. Silent 1, wag natin siyang isulat. Next, a raised to negative 2. Okay, the same process. Para maalis natin yung negative, gagawin natin siyang fraction 1 over a raised to 2. Ayun, nandito na exponent. Kapag more than 1 yung exponent, pwede siyang isulat. Okay, how about kapag numerical yung ating base ng exponent? 8 raised to negative 1. The same process, gawin natin siyang fraction 1 over 8. Silent 1 yung exponent, huwag na natin siyang isulat. Okay, next, 8 raised to negative 2. Negative, how to remove? Gagawin natin siyang fraction. Then, 8 raised to 2, or simplify natin becomes 8 times 8. Ibig sabihin ng exponent, we have to multiply the base by itself. That's why 8 times 8 equals 64. Okay? Now, we have to simplify number 1. Meron tayong tatlong example ngayon na dapat nating i-simplify. Okay? Equals. Ngayon ang gagamitin ko ay the exponent by power of law. So, pag power of law, kailangan natin siyang i-multiply ang exponent. Copy the base. A, negative 4 times 2 equals negative 8. Then, B, 5 times 2 equals 10. Since to simplify, to remove the negative, kailangan yung final answer natin walang negative na exponent. So, ang gagawin natin, i-remember lang natin yung una ito. Dito siya nakapasok sa unang example. Kaya, gagawin natin siyang fraction. 1 over a raised to 8. Then b raised to 10, copy lang. And then next step, we have to multiply the numerator. 1 times b, 10. b raised to 10, our answer, over a raised to 8. Okay, yan ang final answer natin. Okay? Next, number 2 example. Equals 8. Copy mo na yung numerical ng variable. Itong a raised to negative 3, gawin natin siyang fraction. So, maalis na po yung negative sign. Kasi naging fraction na. Huwag na maglagay dito ng negative. Kasi ginawa na nga natin siyang fraction. Over 2, copy mo na numerical. Then, gawin natin ang b raised to negative 2 and fraction form. Equals 1 over b squared. Then, simplify again. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then, times this one. So, 1, copy lang itong a raised to 3. Then, 2, mawawala na po ito kasi dinivide na natin. 1 na dito. Kaya our answer is 1 over b squared. Now, simplify. By using the reciprocal method, kasi fraction to fraction, reciprocal method yung gagamitin natin. 4, multiply na po natin 4 times 1 equals 4 a to the third power, then times. Ito pong sa denominator natin na fraction, babalik na rin natin. It becomes now b squared over 1. Then, multiply horizontally, 4 times b squared equals b squared over a raised to third power times 1 equals a cubed. Okay, final answer. Okay, we have to answer again number 3. Okay, this time very complicated yung given. Negative yung kanyang power. Negative 2. So, ang gagawin natin is to rewrite first. Babaliktarin po natin siya. Okay? Since babaliktarin natin, yung negative magiging positive na lang. Yung denominator magiging numerator. Copy lang po kung negative, negative. Wala po kayong babaguhin sa sign, just only copy. Okay, next, equal. Gagawin natin ay, yung gagawin natin yung exponent by power of law. Okay. 32 times 32, so pwede natin siyang multiply dito. 32 times 32, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 3 is 9. Then we have to add 12 here, 1024. Our answer here is 1024. Then, the variable, we have to multiply 4 times 2 equals 8. And 15 times 2 equals 30 over 4 times 4 equals 16. Then m variable, 5 times 2 equals 10. Then n, 12 times 2 equals 24. Simplify again. 1024 divided by 16. Okay, divide po natin dito. 1024 divided by 16. Okay, 102 ang possible. So, 102, that is 6. 96 po. Minus. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Okay, bring down 4. 64 divided by 16. We have 4. 4 times 16 equals 64. 0. So, our answer is 64. Then, when it comes to variable, wala na po itong 16. Itong 10 minus 8 equals m. So, may natira sa denominator. M squared. Sa n, minus 24. So, may natira sa n raised to 30. Kaya dito sa numerator. 30 minus 24 equals 6. Oh, this will be our final answer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.